Escaping drugs. There are good and bad drugs all about us. Mainly, they are manufactured to combat diseases, but there are drugs available that are illegally obtained for unscrupulous use. One should respect drugs for what they were originally intended and take them in the prescribed manner as per medical practitioners' instructions. Certain drugs, if taken incorrectly, can cause serious side effects and cause irreparable complications. This can be said for manufactured and natural drugs.
Certain drugs can cause a certain dependency. Despite side effects, one may insist on its use. People may, due to a dependency, find they need the drug more and more. This leads to a dangerous cycles of problems. Even products like coffee, chocolate, which most people regard as a normal, can create a dependency. With clinical or scheduled drugs, a dependency can happen much faster. It is the most important to stick to a prescription schedule, be responsible, and avoid further health problems. Never take an extra dose thinking to just give a kickstart to solving the illness of or problem. All drugs have certain side effects, whether noticeable or not. Regular use of drugs could make one more dependent. If dependency become a really serious problem, the only resolution would be a drug recovery within a rehabilitation center. Drug users abuse this element to escape their problems, just like some students that were so depressed and lack of sleep. They use sleeping pills to escape reality and to relax themselves. But somehow, they didn't know that sleeping pills can affect their health and can lead them to death. Some of the street children or youth that we see were using rugby to cope their hunger, but these have effects that can harm the others.
But should we use these kinds of drugs to escape reality and our problems? We should ruin our body to cope these things? No, right? Our body was the temple of God, and if we use this not just our body is what we are ruining, but also the heart of God. Just for us to remember, drugs don't help us to escape our problems. Drugs don't cure but ruin. Drugs can lead us to death. We can solve and escape our problem not just by using drugs. There is God. He can help and guide us to the brighter side.